Our fourth tutorial is creating EER diagram. To create a new EER diagram, on the home window, click File, and then select New Model. To create a EER model, you should have a database model. We already have a database model, so we can now proceed to the process. To create new EER diagram, on the model overview, click Add Diagram. On the left corner, select the database, then the tables, and then drag and drop the tables that you need to create a EER model. To edit table data, double-click the table on the EER diagram. Table editor window will pop up. To add relationships to table, choose from the tools on the vertical toolbar on the left. You can choose from one-to-one relationship, or one-to-many relationship, or many-to-many relationship. Relationship identifying tool with broken line denotes non-identifying relationship, and the one with solid line denotes identifying relationship. Let's now add relationship to our table. When you add relationship between tables, the first table that you click will have the foreign key. As you can see, on the post table, the foreign key user_ID is added. Let's add another relationship. To delete the relationship between two tables, click the line joining tables, then select delete. To save the EER model we created, go to File and then click Save Model. That's it. That's the end of our tutorial. Thank you.